Hi guys, I'm Rita. In this episode, I will show you how you can record an expense manually on Kashoo accounting software. To record an expense, you need to go to section on sidebar called Transactions. From here, click on button Add, and then you have presented with 5 options: expense, income transfer, expense refund, and income refund. In my case, click expense, and here you have presented with a pop-up which you can fill in. For example, I have expense dated of 10th of May. Money was paid out from bank account for this receipt. Select a supplier or enter a new supplier. For example, I have Meal Limited. Select currency, amount, 1635. Select the expense category. That is where these costs need to go. For example, to show up in your reports. In my case, it will go to entertainment, meals and entertainment expense. If it's taxable, select tax, otherwise just leave as it is. And you can add details, for example, supplier or customer meeting, one or another. And we can attach file, we can attach through device or through gallery. Through gallery, that means that you need to have uploaded your receipt already and it's available on your inbox section on your Kashoo accounting software. In my case, I will upload from device. I have here, and it attaches receipt, and click post. Okay, so in this episode I covered how you can add an expense on Kashoo accounting software manually through transactions section. Also, I have shared the link in description section below to my complete Kashoo accounting software tutorial. In this tutorial, I cover all sections in detail. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me.